Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a product empties, but it is going to be body and hair because I have so many since I have not been filming that I don't want to put them all on one or it's going to be really long. So, and then we'll do a separate video, like I said, for the makeup. So let's jump into it with a few things that you've already seen before in the empties. So the first thing in the skincare section, there's two things by Pixi. Glow Tonic To Go is basically a glycolic, I don't have any to show you, but a pad with a 5% glycolic acid on it. Also has ginseng, which is going to awaken the skin, and aloe vera to soothe it. But you take the pad, you can use it twice a day, any skin type, and once your face is cleansed or your skin is already clean, you're going to just wipe the pad across your entire face. No scrubbing, just wiping. The acid does all the work. The glycolic acid is a great resurfacing acid, helps to kind of eat up dead skin and renew your skin, making it look a lot more radiant. And just helping it to basically feel exfoliated and actually chemically be exfoliated. So I love these glow peel pads. Right now I'm using some other ones from the brand Nip and Fab. So I'm not repurchasing these at the moment, but you can bet your bottom dollar I will, because I love Pixi's Glow Tonic To Go. The other, oh my gosh, I can't think because I need to eat. Okay, the other product I have by Pixi is called Hydrating Milky Mist. It's a hyaluronic and black oat facial mist. You can use this just on cleansed skin. You can use this over top of makeup. It's really up to you and your preferences. But it's got linoleic acid. It has B vitamins. It smells, there's a tiny bit left in here, just very clean. You know, there's not really a whole lot of scent to it. But what's nice is Pixi is a paraben-free company. They do not test on animals, and these products actually work. They're formulated very well, and I really enjoy this mist. Out of all the ones I've probably ever tried, especially that are skincare infused, this is probably my favorite. So I love the Hydrating Milky Mist. That will eventually be repurchased. At the moment, I'm getting through some other things. I have a cleansing oil that I finally finished, and it's not because I didn't like it that it took me so long. It took me over a year to finish it, but it's just because I have a lot of facial cleansers, so I kind of switch and rotate them. But the Tatcha One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil, so it comes in a really nice bottle. You take a couple pumps of it, and dry hands and dry skin, and you massage it onto your face. It dissolves makeup. You can also use it as a second cleanse when you've already removed your makeup. It smells beautiful. It's a very eloquent experience for a cleansing oil. It's pricey. I will not be repurchasing it just because I have other cleansing products that I like and I don't feel the need to repurchase this, but it is really nice, and I have sensitive skin. It didn't break me out, didn't clog my pores. I did enjoy it. The next thing is from Dermy-E, which I have used quite a few of their products. They are sold at Sprouts. You can also buy them online. And I believe there's a couple other places that do carry their products. They're generally pretty good. This product I'm going to show you, the Purifying Youth Serum. It's supposed to protect your skin against radical free damage. Oh my gosh, free radical damage. I used this during the summertime when my skin tends to get a slight bit more oil production than it does during the winter. No difference. I mean, I don't think this is potent enough to really purify your skin. It would need active ingredients in there. As far as I know, it does not have active ingredients. It has algae and green tea. So I did not see any purifying, but it was fine. Didn't harm my skin, so that's okay. Not repurchasing though. Something I love, because Clinique is the first skincare brand and the only skincare brand I've actually worked for. Currently, I'm a freelance consultant with them, so I do love Clinique products. Well formulated, effective, and active ingredients, so that's really important to me in skincare. Their Repair Wear Anti-Gravity Eye Cream is great for lifting and firming and for lines and wrinkles around the eye area. So I used this bad boy up because although it's not you know, inexpensive. It's not super expensive like some other department store brands can be. And it actually, I feel like plumps makes the eye area look more smooth and less crepey. I don't really like that word, but I do feel like it smooths. I use it at night and I put on a thick layer. Like, we are not messing around. We get a finger in there, the rest of the skincare is already on, and we're going to load up the eye area and kind of give a massage. So I really love the Repair Wear line and the anti-gravity, and here was something they did a few years ago, combining the two, so love this product. Moving into hair care and body care, I just have actually one thing for the hair, and this was the White Orchid Extract Color Assure Nexus Conditioner. So I don't know where oh, I know where the shampoo is. It's still in my shower because I got the big giant one and then the smaller conditioner. I guess it helped my hair color. I mean, it smells really nice. It smells really nice. It's White Orchid is the scent. But, just fine. Honestly, I would not repurchase it. I've got a Joico shampoo and conditioner right now that I really love. This, not as much, so no. Okay, this I love, and I have another one that's currently in my shower. It smells delish. Okay, Sonia Kashuk, they don't sell it anymore. Red Primizia Creme Body Wash. It used to be sold at Target. It's sandalwood, jasmine, and vanilla, so it's my dream in a scent, and I freaking love this stuff. Oh my gosh. It's magical. Okay, I love this stuff. So it's very moisturizing. It actually has cream in it, so it's not just a pure body wash. It has a cream in it, and I love this stuff. It is paraben and phthalate free, not tested on animals, so if that's important to you, which it is to me, love that stuff. If you can find it anywhere, pick it up. Alright, I've gone through another and will not repurchase the Bath & Body Works olive oil body scrub. It's almond and vanilla. It smells delicious. It is a hot mess to use in the shower because it's a tub that gets filled with water whenever you open it, and the scrub settles at the bottom, the oil comes to the top. It smells delicious. I mean, it smells like a cookie. Oh yes, it smells so good. It is a very sexy, sensual, rich scent, but also very sweet at the same time. But it's a pain to use, and it doesn't really exfoliate because the scrub is so weighed down with oil that when you get out of the shower, you do feel moisturized, but you do not feel like you got your self-tanner off or dead skin off, or you know, you're not helping clear any of your skin because it's just packed with so much oil. The scrub can't really be effective. That's my viewpoint of it, but I do really enjoy the smell. And then my favorite body lotion at the moment, which is sold at Sprouts. They also sell it off of their own website, Nubian Heritage, I believe is how you say it. Excuse me. Patchouli and Buriti. So patchouli oil and Buriti oil, plus shea butter, vitamin E, rosehip oil to hydrate and restore. But this freaking lotion, it's like a body cream, okay? They call it a lotion, but it's very thick. I love this stuff. The ingredient list is like top notch, okay? It's sold at Sprouts. It's an all natural product. Oh wow, okay. It smells in the weirdest way, kind of like black licorice, but not really. And I don't know how else to explain it. I love the smell of this. It really is the patchouli, I think, that's got that almost cherry kind of scent to it, but like not a sickly sweet cherry. It's just, you have to smell this. If you live by a Sprouts or you shop at a Sprouts, try it out. It's made in the United States, which I really appreciate. And yeah, I have 2 more of these in my bathroom right now because I love these. They moisturize your skin. You'll wake up the next day and your sheets will smell lovely, your pajamas smell lovely, and your skin is still moisturized. So highly recommend. I have repurchased it. I will continue to repurchase it, and it is beautiful. Okay guys, those are my body care, hair care, skin care product empties at the moment. I will film the makeup ones and those will be up shortly after this video. But please subscribe and hit the bell. It's free and it'll show you what I post if you're interested. So have a great day and we'll see you next time. Bye. I know